Pave is easier and more economical for your Christmas, and the best of all, it's not flammable. In a container, let's start adding 325 grams of condensed milk followed by 200 grams of cream. We'll squeeze juice from 3 lemons here, then just mix it all very well, and that's the perfect consistency. Now let's take it and we'll start assembling it in a dish. We'll put one at the bottom here, a little bit of our mixture spread well, and on the top, add our buttery biscuit dipped in milk on top of this biscuit. Now let's add strawberries here. The quantity depends on your preference. Everything is ready now. We just have to repeat this layer can be spread well now. We can place it in the fridge until it freezes and then top it off. We'll sift some powdered milk. I decorated it with a few strawberries and now it's just cut and enjoy. Look at this, you can indulge. The strawberry pave is amazing, super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe here from the man on budget in the kitchen. Big hug until next time and thanks.